Morning, boys and girls from the YouTube nation. This is the old pro again, coming to you with another crazy video. Now, all this talk about BMW is bad and BMW is this and BMW is that. I've got another car that's even twice as worse as BMW. Bad, I mean real bad. And today I'm gonna bring to you a 2014, oh my bad, 2015 Maserati. And I'm gonna tell you guys, these cars are very problematic. There ain't no joke. This is it here. Now year before last, I fixed maybe it's even last year, I fixed a temperature sensor for this customer. He had drove the car during the pandemic all last year. Last week he started the car up and noticed it's starting overheating. First thing he noticed is this bottle here. You see that? See that liquid on my hand? Start leaking between here. Then the fan wouldn't come on. Then the secondary water pump stopped working. Now this car only got 45,000 miles on it. So we say, okay, it's not that bad. Put a new overflow tank in it and, put a secondary water pump. When we called the dealer for the water pump, first thing they told us, oh, you can't just put a secondary, you might as well put the primary water pump in. The primary water pump was $1,100. Secondary water pump was $88. Coolant tank was $250. And I'm saying, right when we're in there, might as well put the new serpentine belt on. Okay, so we were looking at that, and also the fan just stopped working. The fan itself just went bad from sitting. So this car in my book is one of the worst sports cars you ever buy. This Maserati. There's no way on the face of the earth, 45,000 miles, water pump go bad, overflow tank crack, from sitting. No, he drove this car 6 months after we fixed the temperature sensor. Everything was fine. He drove it to Texas, he drove it to Florida, everything was fine. Brought it back home, parked it, and started up 2 weeks ago, and this is what's happening. And the parts are so expensive. I mean, extremely expensive. Yeah, car doesn't look bad, but they're a piece of crap. Piece of crap. Look, 45,000 miles. There's no way in God's heaven a 45,000 miles. I mean, it's out of warranty because it's a 2015, but man, this is crazy. So the brakes are also bad on there. Front brakes need front brakes and rotors. Needs rear brakes and rotors. Look at it. Now this customer, I think he's gonna try and dump this car on somebody because he don't want to continue to throwing money in it. 45,000 miles, you shouldn't be doing nothing. You should be driving this car. The only problem is, two problems you should have at 45,000 miles. One, putting gas in there, and that should be a problem if you buy this car. And two, if you get a flat. That's it. You shouldn't be dumping thousands in a 45,000 miles car. No way in heaven you should be doing that. But it's Maserati for you, man. This sign right here, man, it's crazy. I thought BMW was bad. I mean, but the Maserati takes the cake. Anyhow, guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Um, hit that bell so you can get some new video when they come out. And we'll be talking to you again soon on our next video. This is the Old Pro, and we'll catch you on the next video. Old Pro from the Autobahn is out.